Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can create a completely new workspace for your projects and your account on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. So head over to Smartsheet, log into your account, and what you want to do is return to the home section of your account by clicking into that home button here in the top left. And here in your home section, guys, you will be given access to these two menus here, suggested in all workspaces, suggested with your most recently used workspace items like dashboards and sheets. If you'd like to create a new workspace, guys, you may navigate to all workspaces and, for example, navigate to one of your created workspaces or create a completely new one by clicking into this plus button here. Last but not least, click into workspace there, and after that, Smartsheet will create a completely new blank workspace for you so that you may fill it with content such as, for example, various workspace items, including dashboards and sheets and so on and so forth, by clicking into this button here. And that's it. If you'd like to switch to another workspace, guys, again, head over to Home, to All Workspaces, and select one of these workspaces below. And you may click also on these three dots here and open the given workspace in a new tab. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.